Penny the Parrot loved to chatter all day. One sunny morning, she decided to teach her friends about words. "Let's play a game," she squawked as she flew to her treehouse. First, she showed them a bright red apple and asked, "Who can say apple 3 times?" Everyone giggled, trying to match her high-pitched tune. Next, they spotted a blue butterfly. "What color is this?" Penny chirped, and the friends shouted, "Blue." But Penny wasn't finished. She encouraged them to make sentences like, "The blue butterfly flies." As the sun began to set, they all proudly shared their favorite words. Penny knew together they were all fantastic wordsmiths.